Hello and welcome back to Residual Royalty Academy. I'm very grateful that you're here to watch this video. I just want to announce quickly, if you're not subscribed, then make sure you do, because over 60% of viewers are not subscribed, and it would be great if we could grow this channel to 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. So make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button at the end or right now or whenever you want if you do like the video, as it really helps the channel out. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my January earnings from KDP. So we can see here, this is the earnings per day before we get onto the total figure. So you can see there was a slight dip around here, and this was because Amazon had some faults in reporting the paperback sales, and that led to sort of low royalties being shown, but then they kind of added them again over here. So maybe this was 4 or 5 days worth of missed sales that should have been, I don't know, something like this on the graph, which is absolutely fine. But overall, it was a strange month if you look at it. It was quite low, you know, the baseline, but then you had some big days where maybe Amazon were still having some faults with their reporting systems and they sort of got added at the end. And I think this day here was also expanded distribution. So we got some expanded distribution sales. I believe they would be from November. So if we go here, we can see the earnings by marketplace. That's 37%. And US was 61%. There was 1% in Canada and a tiny amount in France, which is absolutely great. So let's go on to the big number now. But before I show you that, I just want to say the reason why it's kind of low or not as much as I'd wanted is because I've not really been making many low and no content books in January due to the fact that I was focusing on the high content, 30,000 word, big ghost books that I've been making and editing and writing, etc. A lot of work really goes into them. So I've been focusing a lot of time on that this month. So each of those books should bring me in around $200 per month on average once they're on ebook, paperback and Audible. So that should be absolutely fantastic, and my royalties will be going up and up and up with the introduction of those books alongside my low and no content books. And of course, I'll be making many more low and no content books. I've got some planned out for this month and some niches planned out in my Excel spreadsheet. So I'm going to be hitting those hard. But let's just jump onto the royalties estimator right now. So you can see that's $1,176, which I think is just around where October was. It's quite similar, and obviously November and December were far higher due to the fact that it was Q4. So it's not bad, and it's still 4 figures. Obviously, I would have liked it to be a bit higher, but we'll see what happens in February, because I'll be making a lot more low and no content books this month, because those 2 first ghost written books that I've started are now almost finished. So there'll be a lot of time to start making some low and no content books. So I hope this video serves as some inspiration. You know, what it does prove, if anything, is that you don't always need to be making books and you'll still make royalties from your previous work, which proves that this business is residual. And that is why we like this, because it's passive income and it will be for years to come. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learned some things from it and maybe got some inspiration. So I'll see you in the next video, which will be on Monday. And as I say, don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.